Hi and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to cure a water leak on Project Corsa. So let's get the bonnet up, let's get it sorted. So we've got the bonnet up, guys, and this is the offending item here. So it looks like it's a return water pipe coming off the turbo going up to the coolant reservoir. Now I noticed this the other day when I was checking the water and the oil. I noticed that the water was low. Been to my local Vauxhall dealer, and unfortunately this pipe, whether it be this fabric section or the whole pipe itself, is not available. It's on back order with no release date. So I've rooted around in my toolbox and I've found some pipe which I think will do the job, hoping that the internal bore is the same size because the exterior diameter is the same size as that pipe, and luckily it will almost fall to shape. So I've also noticed as well, in case anybody else mentions it, there's a Jubilee clip missing. But as I've said before, this is a cheap car that I bought, and I'm going to be repairing it as we go. So let's get this pipe off, reach the point of no return, because if this pipe doesn't work or doesn't fit, then I'm screwed. I can't get to work. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take off these clips. That's just flown over my shoulder. Being careful now that I don't cause any further damage, or if I bend the pipe or anything like that. Okay, so that's the pipe off, and obviously losing a bit of coolant. So hopefully I should be able to get this on. So that's the right size. So if I was to just offer this up and cut it roughly around about there with a Stanley knife. Okay, so I've cut it to size. Hopefully now we can get it on. Possibly cut it a little bit too big, I think. But measure twice, cut once. That's my motto. Cut it far too big. Probably could do with about 3/4 of an inch taking off it. So let's get that done. So we've cut it to size, put the clips back on, and try now to get it over and down. Oh. Okay, so it's a tad too short, but it's on far enough, and we can now slacken that off, get it over. Oh, it's tight, hurting my fingers, that is. There we go. Okay, so it's a little bit short, but it's still up to there, the original pipe, so it's on at least about 15mm. That's gone nice and tight. So it's a reinforced fuel pipe, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of kitchen tin foil around it just to give it a little protection from the turbo. So there we go. Not perfect, but bearing in mind the pipe isn't available, we'll make the best of a bad job. So that's stopped me from losing water, potentially boiling the engine over and ruining this little 3-cylinder beast of a motor. So until the next video guys, because I'm sure there's going to be more on this vehicle. Cheers.